Hi everyone, I'm Emily Doyle. I live in downtown Tampa and I'm currently enrolled at St. Petersburg College pursuing a risk management and insurance certificate. I am taking business communications as it is part of the risk and insurance management core curriculum. In my spare time, when I am not working on my schoolwork, I am a long-term volunteer at the Humane Society of Tampa Bay, specifically doing adoption counseling and working with the cats and kittens. It's a rewarding experience when I am able to find the right families for each cat. At the same time, I grow attached to each and every one of the cats and dogs there. And seeing them leave is a challenge for me, but at the same time, I am very happy and grateful that I was able to get them to great homes. After completing my program, I plan to pursue opportunities in the insurance field at an entry-level position. During the early period of the pandemic, when I was not working, the experience made me think of career choices and how to become better trained for a serious opportunity that included better pay and benefits. It is very important to me to gain confidence in my public speaking skills. Some people think I am shy and an introverted person, and while I may appear that way, I really have a lot to say, and my anxiety challenges me. Thank you, everybody.